Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today we'll see how to make the traditional snack of Kerala, Avalose Podi and Mavunda. It's a very easy recipe. It can be made with very few ingredients easily available in our kitchen. So let us see how to make Avalose Podi. For that I have taken 2 kilograms of rice flour. I've soaked rice and got it milled locally. You can also use store-bought rice flour. Into this we'll add 4 coconuts grated. That is, for 1 kg of rice flour, use 2 coconuts grated and 2 tablespoons of jeera or cumin seeds and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Add salt to taste. Now we'll rub the coconut and the rice flour together so that it is well mixed. Rub it nicely, and if you feel that your rice flour is a little dry, you can sprinkle some water and rub it and mix it well. And then we'll press it like this and allow it to rest for about half an hour to 1 hour. After 1 hour, we'll break the lumps and make it into powder form. There should not be any lumps, and then we'll roast it on medium flame. We have to keep stirring continuously. It took me around 45 minutes. We have to roast it till it turns golden brown in color, and when we put it in our mouth, it should feel nice, crunchy and crispy. So our Avalose Podi is ready. Avalose Podi mixed with sugar is really delicious, and it can also be had with banana, ripe banana and jaggery. To make Mavunda, here I have taken 4 cups of Avalose Podi, that is around 600 grams. Now we'll sift it to separate the bigger particles, and then we'll just pulse it in the mixie. To make Mavunda, the powder should not be very fine. It should be slightly coarse. So now we'll powder it coarsely. This should be the texture of the Avalose Podi to make Mavunda. Now let us make the jaggery syrup. For that, here I have taken 300 grams of jaggery powder and add about 100 ml of water and allow it to melt. Now the jaggery has melted and small bubbles have started coming. At this stage we have to be very careful. We don't need one string consistency. So as soon as the jaggery starts bubbling, we have to check the consistency and take it off the heat. It should be just sticky to touch. Now it has reached a full boil, so we'll check the syrup now. It should be just like this. We don't want one string consistency, just it has to be sticky. We'll switch off the flame and add juice of half a lemon. Add about 3/4 teaspoon of ginger powder and 3/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. If you want, you can also add fried sesame seeds at this time. Now into this we'll add the prepared Avalose Podi little by little. Before adding the Avalose Podi, we can keep a little of the syrup aside so that later if the Mavunda mix gets dry, we can add it. Now we'll add the Avalose Podi little by little and mix it well. After keeping aside some Avalose Podi to roll the Mavundas, this much I've kept aside, and the rest I've added into this Jaggery, and we'll mix it very well now. And press it and keep it to one side so that it doesn't dry out. Now we'll start making the Mavundas. Make tight balls. While making Mavundas, you can call whoever is there at home to help you, so that we can finish making the Mavundas fast. Otherwise the Mavunda mix might dry out. So after it becomes shiny like this, we have to roll it in the Avalose Podi. And the healthy and delicious Mavundas are ready. So if you have not yet made Mavunda at home, do try this. The only thing which we have to be careful about is the consistency of the Jaggery syrup. It has to just reach that sticky consistency. It should not reach the one string consistency. When I first made Mavunda, I boiled it till it reached one string consistency, and my Mavunda could not be rolled. It was just falling apart. So to make soft and delicious Mavunda, just allow the Jaggery syrup to boil till it reaches a sticky nature. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.